Speed up, Jesus. Why this number me, man? Speed up, wonder. We just look for she and say, hey, woman, them.
Hey, I'm the SR boss. I represent for Jamaican Chat, baddest channel. I'm here alone in all the dark room.
Are you think I get jumping at the beaver?
Wagwan my people, bless up everybody. Welcome back to Jamaican Chat. And you don't know, before we jump in it, we're gonna thank Father God so we have life. This is a late night vlog, everybody. So I'm gonna beg everybody just click in the like button, the share button, and for all of my new listeners them, please click the subscribe button. So people, you can don't see Wagwan. Valiant is actually the hottest dancehall artist right now. And me feel like it'll last for a long time. You understand? Big up Valiant, Oberlin man as well. So I have to big up that. And people, the video here hot, right? You can see what going on, but let's like a show now, a snippet of the stage show, Eastern Extravaganza 2023. It was a big show, people. It was a blast. And you can see, while Valiant was on stage, he was performing with Jashi. And I think Labas was on stage as well. Fans actually a fight for tie the boss shoes. You understand? Big up yourself, Valiant. You understand? We don't know what kind of energy this the G come with. As I reading in the comment section, and some of my subscribers them actually I say the whole place under science. You understand? So big up yourself, Valiant. You understand? Your true talent, really a show. And people I also have a video for drop as well, because Valiant and him son actually did a vibe to one I'm tuned them. So I'm gonna make you see that. And you can see what I'm going, because I not even did know say Valiant have a son. You understand? And find out say the G have a son. And him a vibe with him, actually I show him his youth to social media or to the world. You understand? It's not such a bad thing. So big up yourself, Valiant, and all the best for your future as well. I'm gonna see him have a few show lineup people out of the country already. So yeah man, Valiant is going to be in Grand Cayman in this month, and after he leaves Grand Cayman he's going to be in Guyana. You understand? And of course Jamaican Chat will be capturing all of those performances for you, and we will be pushing it out as well. Alright, so as I say, everybody, we're gonna beg you to just like, share, subscribe. Go and check out the rest of the stage show, Eastern Extravaganza. I look a snippet I have, and also the video with Valiant and his son. Big up on yourself, my people. Jamaican Chat.
Speed up, Jesus. Why this number me, man? Speed up, wonder. We just look for she and say, hey, woman, them are you think I get jumping at the beaver? They want to watch the girl be there. Wait, leveling, my father. So one buckler, one make them vex. Two in a make for the money we make. God up. Brother, my father. Level. Box checking our come. I make this girl upset. I don't know what you said. You don't know what you said. Hey, who is what I think I am playing? They want to spark us. Yo, we can't forget the girl, let me know. What's his style? Alright then, them boy don't have no hobbies. I'm in a style, only a vast.
Every minute. Try it, man. Sing for them. Still I work hard and I lose focus. Too big for them league, put me in a wake up.